9% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, according to data. Additionally, most Americans take their entire life to become debt-free, because 40% have credit card debt. You should thus start looking for passive income so that you may either pay off your debt more quickly or have some extra cash for fun or investing. For this reason, we're going to provide you with several suggestions which you can use to generate passive income. Let us begin. Vending machine. Vending machines are an asset that will bring you a consistently sweet income stream. In the United States, there are currently 5 billion vending machines. These machines produce an annual average of $20 billion per year. You must put the machine in the right spot to earn a decent passive income through a vending machine. You need to insert it so people can access it daily. You will also need to know the right products to keep in it, which will determine your selling success rate. If you want a tip, then you can put this vending machine in a place where hot food is hard to find. This will deliver a steady income every week. REIT. An additional income source is possible using the Real Estate Investment Trust, REIT. This is the definition of a truly passive income, because you'll be earning money without being an active part of the entire process. Collect earnings made from investment portfolios and reap the rewards. Being an REIT investor comes with a lot of good perks. It involves extremely low risk, a nice passive income consistently, and a 10% rate of return on an annual basis. Airbnb your room. Have an extra room at home that is barely used? Airbnb it. Renting out your spare room on Airbnb helps you rent out your room upwards of 2 times higher than its normal price. Putting up your rental on Airbnb requires you to maintain the room and ensure it has all the amenities a tenant would need. A good plus of renting your room out is that you'll be able to cover the entire maintenance cost. It is a neat way to make some nice passive income. Become a silent partner in a business. Whenever the talk of investing in a business is heard, it is usually something as big as investing in the stock market. The truth could not be far from that. There are also small businesses that need looking after, in which you can partake as a silent business partner. If you know many successful small business owners, enter into a partnership with them, with you being the investor and them being the ones who scale the business. Look for businesses that need capital and align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Conduct due diligence on the business, including reviewing financial statements, market research, and talking to the business owners and management team. Once you've identified a business opportunity, negotiate the terms of your investment with the business owners. This may include the amount of capital you will invest, the percentage of ownership you'll receive, and the length of the investment. After agreeing upon the terms, draft a legal agreement outlining your investment's terms and the rights and responsibilities of all parties involved. Once the legal agreement is in place, provide the capital to the business as outlined in the agreement. Finally, you will monitor the business as a silent business partner. You'll not be actively involved in the business's day-to-day operations, but you should still monitor the business's progress and performance. This may include receiving regular financial reports and updates from the business owners. Printing business. With t-shirt printing in demand for several years now, it is expected to hit a value of $10 billion by 2025. The best part about printing on-demand business is that items can be customized and shipped off to customers around the globe. Several platforms will help you outsource this business of yours. This is an excellent option for passive income if website designing is your thing. Sell your media online. The internet has allowed you to do one incredible thing. You can monetize absolutely anything there. This includes videos and photos, a way passive income can be built. If you know a little bit about photography or videography, then have a go at uploading them on different websites. If someone uses your footage or pictures, you'll get paid for that. This way, you'll make some money off of your hobby. Affiliate marketing. Selling other people's products, which brings you a commission, is known as affiliate marketing. If someone buys someone else's product through you, you get a little profit from the deal, since the buyer comes through your link. This way of earning passive income requires minimal effort, so why not try this? If you know a lot of people, this will do you a lot of good. Advertise your car. Believe it or not, people have made excellent money by advertising things on their cars. When you advertise a specific product, then you can make great money from it. Your car is a mobile advertising medium, which means that wherever you take your car, the product will be advertised. And when you find buyers for that product, you'll end up getting a profit for yourself. Several companies even give you a salary to do this. Here's some steps to follow to advertise your car. Many companies offer car wrapping services, and they'll be able to guide you through the process and provide you with the materials you need. Car wraps come in different forms, such as full, partial, and decals. A full wrap covers the entire car, while a partial wrap covers only a portion. Decals are individual graphics that can be placed on specific areas of the car. Many companies will work with you to design your car wrap. This may include your company's logo, contact information, and other relevant details. Once your design is complete, you must schedule a time for the wrap to be installed on your car. The installation process typically takes a few hours, and it's essential to ensure your vehicle is cleaned and ready. It's important to keep your car clean and avoid any actions that can damage the wrap, such as frequent washing, pressure washing, or using harsh chemicals, following the manufacturer's recommendations and guidelines. Once the wrap is installed, you will typically be paid monthly or quarterly for displaying the advertisement on your car. Incentives from the government. Loaning money to the government is one of the safest investment methods on this list. The government will use your money to improve features of the state, such as building schools, hospitals, or roads. Your money will come back to you in terms of government incentives when the government is done with those projects and money starts coming back to them. You may not have thought about investing in a hospital, but such is the unpredictability of life. Dividends. The regular payments made to investors owning a company stock are called dividends. A company makes these payments to share profits with investors who put money into that stock. These people are called stockholders. This is known as passive income because regular payments are made to investors, and returns are quite healthy. If you would like to be a part of dividends, search for stocks that provide dividends and buy a good amount of shares of that particular company. After a fixed tenure, you'll receive a dividend. The amount of dividends a company pays is typically determined by its board of directors, who consider factors such as financial performance, growth prospects, and overall financial health. The board also considers the company's dividend policy, which is a statement of the company's intent regarding dividend payments. Dividends can be a useful tool for investors, as they provide a steady income stream that can help offset the volatility of stock prices. Dividend-paying stocks are top-rated among income-focused investors, such as retirees, who are looking for a steady source of cash flow. These are some of the most innovative passive income ideas to earn extra money on the side. These ideas are the true definition of side hustles because even though you might not pursue them as your profession, they still bring you a handsome amount of money. Best of luck with whichever method you choose.